Welcome to the Pono Owner's Manual. Now, most likely you're here on this page while you're watching this video. If you're not on this page, go to our website, ponocms.com, click on Support up at the top, and then choose the link to the Owner's Manual. That will bring you here. Now, on this support page, we have all sorts of resources, articles, videos, frequently asked questions, everything that you might want to know about how to use individual things in the Pono system. What we've done here in the Owner's Manual is we've taken the most important ones of those frequently asked questions, articles, and videos. We've organized them then into a way so that you can go through it step by step and really learn the most important things that you need to know and learn in the most effective way how to use your website as effectively as possible. Whatever you do, however you go through it, start off in the first step section and watch these 4 videos. Video number 1, this is what you're listening to right now. So when you finish this video, watch video 2, 3, and 4. Even if you think you already know how to sign in and use the admin, you know what your website is capable of, you know how things look for your clients, even if you're sure you know all of it, it's just 10 minutes for these 3 videos. Spend 10 minutes watching them. These really do set the basis for everything else. So start off in the first step section and make sure you've watched all 4 of these videos. Once you've done that, you can jump through to whatever bits you want to know about. We've divided it into 3 main sections. You have a section called Main Workflow, where we look at all of the main features and functionality of the Pono system. That's where you'll want to spend most of the time. We then do have a section on the website content and design. That is the actual content, things like the text, images, videos that you have on your website, along with the layout and design. So if you want to know anything about changing that, managing that, updating that, look in this section. And then we have a section on enhancing the functionality of your Pono website by connecting it to other websites and other apps. For example, connecting your website to maybe an email list so you can have a pop-up on your website that prompts people to subscribe to your email list. Maybe something to monitor how your clients or visitors are behaving on your website, what they're doing. You can connect pretty much any external website or app that you want, so that's covered in this section. Just as an example, let's open up the main workflow. Here we got a little notice up at the top because as I'm recording this video, we're actually still going through this and updating it right now. But what you'll see, and you'll see the same in all of the sections, is you'll see we've highlighted some with what we say are important. Definitely watch these. And again, we really do recommend you go through in the order that it's built up here, because we've really built it in a way so that each section builds upon what you've learned in the previous section. So let's say you're starting at the top, notifications. Very first thing, once you've watched the first steps videos, is watch these 2 important notifications videos. Again, we're keeping them short. It's only 4 minutes of video you need to watch, but watch these 2. If you then want to go deeper into the notification system, for example, you can watch any of the other videos listed there. Again, the same for all the other sections. Admin User Dashboard, watch the important one, the 3-minute video. If you want to go into more detail, you can with the other videos. And in that way, work your way through the whole list here. And yeah, watch all of the important videos. It's really not a lot if you just pick out the important ones. And then you can jump around from section to section, watch whichever bits you want when you're on that part of the website and you want to learn more.